Hey everyone, Mark Howells with Dakota Ridge Marketing. Today I wanted to talk about cohesive marketing as it's a concept that's really at the center of Dakota Ridge Marketing and everything we do. And I felt like it might help you guys out there. So basically wanted to talk about what it is and really just a couple examples of how it could help out your business. So what is cohesive marketing? Logically connecting your branding, audience targeting, goals, campaigns, and tools so your marketing in general is better and obviously your business performs better overall. So how do we put it into practice? It's a three-step methodology. First step is making sure that you have all the pieces of a strong foundation built. Second step is really using those pieces to support and build out other pieces. And then the third step is as you're actually implementing your marketing, you are checking and rechecking against your strong foundation. So I want to give also some examples of just what can a cohesive foundation do for you and your business. So there's a 23% average revenue increase attributed to always presenting your brand consistently. Secondly, in general, businesses that segment their audiences and target those different segments effectively actually have an annual profit growth 10% higher than companies who don't do that. And then third example would just be 15% better revenue performance when marketing goals are actually set and managed consistently. So at Dakota Ridge Marketing, how this all plays together is we work with companies hand in hand to really build out their cohesive marketing foundation and frameworks and help them assess their current setup and get them really built out and sometimes implemented based around 6 main categories. And it really helps them to build a strong foundation as well as implement their marketing and achieve those results that I just talked about. So for you today though, I think you can start by really taking more of a holistic view around your marketing. So, for example, build out any brand pieces that are missing. Put together your audience segmentation and personas if those aren't built out yet. Set up personalization plans around your website and email personalization. For the second step, really make sure pieces support other pieces. So, for example, use your UVP as one piece in support of your key messaging as another piece. And then thirdly, again, check and recheck against your foundation. So when you're building out marketing campaigns, everything can really get away from you when you're building the images, the videos, what have you, the copy. Make sure that all of that is consistent and is working with the foundation that you have built out. As I said, we're going to delve more into each of these topics with other videos on this channel. But for now, thanks so much for watching.